Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. How is the signal, man? Good morning, good morning. How is the signal?
Clear as of now. It's clear, sir.
Because I have taken a dedicated line to yesterday only for these classes. Okay, yesterday what is that we are discussing, man? These kinematic equations can be applied in which cases when acceleration due to gravity is constant. Remember that?
Yes, sir.
See all these kinematic can be applied where if and only if when all these are derived when acceleration is constant. If acceleration is variable, you cannot apply this. Okay, these are not applicable. Remember, while integrating, we removed acceleration outside the integrate. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you can see this is an inclined plane. Now this is G now. Agreed or not? Hello? This is this is theta now. 90 minus theta. Why? Because 90. So what is this? Adjacent component is this. And perpendicular to this you have
Yes, sir. 90 minus theta.
is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Right, sir.
Right. Shall I turn there?
1 minute, sir. Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
See, this is a frictionless way. Understood the question?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Shall I go ahead? Now you can see along
Yes,
AB
sir.
now. What is asking time taken for the ball to slip from A to B now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll use the equation displacement along AB. Initial velocity along AB plus acceleration along AB into T square. Okay. T is from understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now can you find see angle in a semicircle is what man? You studied during childhood. Angle in a semicircle
90 degrees.
90. 90. So this is 90. Agreed? Therefore, what is cos theta in the triangle is adjacent by hypotenuse. AB equals AC cos theta. What is AC man? 2R cos theta. Agreed? So here you have 2R cos theta rest half. See, this is G now. What will be this? This is G. Along this direction, what will have? Vector component. Remember this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
See, it may be, theta may be any value, but this is always constant, no? Constant means independent of theta. Follow this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Sir, hello, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, can you please explain once again, sir? I am not understanding this.
Hello?
Sir, can you please explain once again? I am not understanding.
No man, I used S is equal to UT plus half 80 square along one line. What else I have done? Along AB, the displacement is this. AB is the displacement. I calculate AB simply from using this. Initial velocity is 0, therefore along AB also it is 0. This is G. What is the component of that? G cost. Substitute this. Get T.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Good.
Shall I turn this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In the last third line, it should be half g cos theta t square, right?
From there only go to straight.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
That means if a particle is released at 75 degrees or 60 degrees or this path or any angle, whatever it is. Okay. So time taken to travel, from A to B or A to C or A to D or A to E is say how much you got?
Into RPG root.
Whatever may be the angle, because he proved that one previously. Agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
Then you have graphs. See, hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, I start from your school O level. Then I'll cover board level. Then I will cover mains. Then I will cover advanced. This is a universal syllabus anywhere, O level, A level, B level. Okay. So board level up to 12th I should know. Plus 2 board. So don't think that board level is separate. Whatever it is, if you look at the board syllabus completed portion, it will be same thing. So you need not attend any special classes for any of these things. As far as physics is concerned, no need to attend any other classes. Just attend my classes, do the assignment. You take any, whatever may be, or you want to write MIT also, you write. But I have covered the syllabus. Bits also you can get. Okay. So don't waste time by attending too many classes nor watching too many videos. It's waste of time. Nothing. You have to work out problems, man. Only thing for success. The more numericals you do, the more will be your analysis and interpretation skills. Logical skills will improve. Simply watching videos, nothing will get. At that moment, like movie, when the other fellow are watching cricket, when the player is playing on TV, we'll eat biscuits and snacks and we'll be shouting. If you go and play over there for one ball, we'll be knowing what it is. So you're the player in this game. Understand? Immediately after classes are over, start working your assignments. Time flees away like anything. You know, we are completing the whole syllabus by January end. Total syllabus will be completed. And you have to work out the assignments. Now, because in the beginning, vectors and all went slow. Till here, you followed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Am I audible? What I spoke, you heard or not?
Yes, sir.
See, graph you will have two variables, no? Usually we will take y is, suppose x. What is the meaning of this? Y depends upon
X.
whatever you can make anything. So we call this as, for example, so on what y is dependent variable. What is called dependent variable. And what is x? Independent variable. Now, when we draw a graph, we usually take the independent variable here. Usually, this is for example, we take displacement. Versus time graph. That means how displacement varies with time. Okay. So you have seen that this is the displacement, this is the time. Agreed. So because out of this, what is the variable and what is independent? This is independent. Independent means time goes on flowing, whether the displacement is zero or increasing anything. Time will not stay now.
Yes, sir.
Agreed. That's why we'll take here. This is the dependent variable. Any graph we generally draw like this. Followed. Suppose we are having the particle position is constant. For example, this is the x position means x coordinate, for example. Suppose we are having the particle is located. Suppose if particle is located from origin and is at rest. The meaning of that is what? It is x coordinate is 2 centimeters. Rest means it remains same for any time now. The time may be increasing. Time may be T1, T2, T3, T4, anything. This particle is not moving. So if you join all this, you'll get a graph as this. Understood this? Clear enough?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, suppose we have a case where the particle is at origin. Say if the particle is at origin, origin means that means this is x1 and x coordinate. At t equals 0, it is at origin. X is 0, x is 0, x is 0, x is 0, x is 0 every time. So you see that it will be a straight line. This is the graph of a particle which is at rest. Understood anything?
Yes, sir.
If the question of coordinate comes, if you take the position, location, where it is, x, y, z, this is time. Okay. Your location is measured from your house. Okay, as time passes, when you're sleeping, your location is the same.
Sir, can you please move the page a little bit downward?
Don't know. This one you completed, no?
Yes, sir. Just need to check.
Completed, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, completed.
Pardon?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Completed, sir. Finished.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 minute. Sir.
Done, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
See here, particle starts from origin. Origin means x is 0, y is 0, z is this is t. Okay, x is 0. Suppose x is displacement. Say x is 0, I'm saying. Followed this. See, with time, you can plot either x or y or z. You cannot plot at a time. Again, y versus x you can plot. Again, z versus x you can plot. Follow this. So here, as the particle is moving, what will happen? If the particle is moving and x coordinate is changing, for example, as it is moving and x coordinate is changing, okay, then what we have delta x equals uxt plus half. This is final x coordinate minus initial x coordinate. This is ut. There is no acceleration. So finally some x final. Initially 0 ut. That means x is equal to ut. It is nothing but a straight line only, no? What is the form of
Yes, sir.
this? Y equals mx. Okay, m is slope, no? So here, what is this? If you plot the x coordinate of this, at t is there. At some other time, this is the x coordinate. You join this. Followed. So this is theta and tan theta equals u. Understood this or not?
Sure, sir.
Sir, how you got tan theta is equals to u?
Where man? What is slope definition? You are not there in the beginning. Why you have 10th now? You are not present at the beginning.
I was there, sir.
We learned all this, no? Hmm? And I don't mind explaining this any number of times, but if this is the case for the whole syllabus, you'll find difficult. Then slope equals m equals tan theta. Agreed? Followed? So here if you compare this one and this one. From these two, what is m? You only know what is m. Why I wrote this directly. Understood this? At least now you understood.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Correct. On the page. And I'm just asking you because if you are absent for that initial classes, you have to revise. See, some other people are attending their board classes. Kerala board and all, it's useless actually. IIT is more important. You get full marks. Anyhow, board syllabus you are covering. Final exam, you write. Board marks, you got so many marks in 10th. What is the use in that? Any use is there? Waste of time. Do things which are beneficial to your life. Get an IIT seat that will help you for your future. If you get board marks so high, what will you do? Anybody gets a seat without entrance exam, that's a useless exam only. The companies will not come to the campus. First of all, remember why IITs are regarded, NITs are regarded world's best institution. Simple reason is, suppose a company is there, an international multinational company, they want to take some people for job. They cannot go to each and every person and do interview and conduct exams and all. So already there is one institution called IIT or NIT. All the people who have the great brain, they can through an exam and they are there. So from them on, you need to go to other colleges. That is the mentality. So that is the reason why they were taken, because the best brains will be in IITs and NITs. So you will be among the best people. So you will be progressing more in life. If you are in between intellectuals, you have growth. If you are in between in idiots, you will be downfall. You will be having downfall. Just like the tree grows only if the soil is good, no? So that is the reason why we have this board, all this nonsense. Shall I turn this?
Sir.
Even without examination, boards have promoted happily with a certificate in many states. Even AP, Telangana, I think many boards. So did they cancel IIT exam? They conducted now. That is the worth of a competitive examination. Boards are useless. Boards are useless. That is the reason why they just passed. What do you want, man?
Previous page was just a minute.
Over? Suppose is the displacement here.
Yes, sir.
Here, the previous graph, the particle starts from where do you observe? From origin. Now suppose the particle is not starting from origin. A particle starts from, say, mx is equal to something, some value, c, and moves with constant velocity. Constant velocity means acceleration is zero. Okay. So here it starts from the origin. You have displacement. This is a position coordinate. We cannot take all coordinates at a time. Okay. uxt plus half axt square. X final mass x initial. This is u. Sorry. This is u into t plus 0. That is acceleration 0 now. X final is x initial plus ut. So this is x initial is c. So this is nothing but, so you can see what is the form of this. You are having x is equal to ut plus c. What is this? Y coordinate equals, remember this, mx plus c. Remember this form of this. Now if you compare this, what we are having, you agree with this? Now for this straight line, at t equals to 0, this is t equals 0, x equals c, no? Understood, isn't it? Clear?
Yes.
After that, the x coordinate goes on increasing. Say this is theta. What you take m is tan theta. That is nothing but u. Remember this or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This is the shape of y equals mx plus c. If you want to get a plot like this, a brief knowledge, see if t equals to 0, what you have? X is equal to, so x is equal to c. You got 1 point. Okay. As t increases, what happens to you?
Also increases.
X
So
also
is
increases.
constant.
X
Is
also.
constant.
Okay. So now you see, if the powers are 1, always the graph is a straight line. Remember that. If the powers of the variable c is 1, the x power 1, t power 1. You should join with a straight line. Understood? Otherwise, you join with a curve. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Note on that. If the power of the variables is 1, then its graph will be a straight line. If the power of any one variable, if the power of any one variable is greater than 1, then the graph will be a curve. Then the graph will be a curve. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn the page?
1 minute.
Sir.
Completed.
I'm done, sir.
Shall I finish?
Sir.
See, suppose the particle at this moves with constant velocity away from the origin. Away from origin. Then what will happen? X will increase now. Hello? Add this small point.
Sir.
Add this. Previous one, just add this. That is the reason why you are getting X as increasing. Understood this? Hello?
Done, sir.
Now suppose particle starts and moves towards origin, okay, with understood this?
Yes, sir.
That means you have uxt plus half axt square. This is ut, this is f, Do you agree with this or not? This is ut plus d. Agreed? That means the x coordinate at t equals to 0, you are having x is equal to 0 plus d. After that, as time increases, what is happening to x? X will
Decrease, decrease, decrease.
decreases because it is moving. It is moving towards origin. Agreed?
Yes, sir, agreed,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. So here we take the displacement. Displacement means position. This is time. This is x is equal to d at t equals to 0. As time increases, what happens to x coordinate, man? It decreases so slowly. At some point, it should reach here now. Agreed? Here, x is equal to 0 at some time. After this, it may go along the negative also, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Now you can see this is the negative x now. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see slope is what? Slope is
Negative. Sir.
negative now. Theta is obtuse. Therefore, tan theta is negative. Okay, so you can take the equation as minus ut plus d. Understood why you have to take like this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I didn't understand, sir.
See, man, this particle I am taking, please see. If the particle moves this way, it is positive we have taken. No? The particle is moving like this. So u is what? Negative, no? Here only we should take actually the sign. That's the reason why you will get this. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Now clear.
Anything I explain, because it's all new to you, know, little bit first difficulty will come. That is called inertia. But I'll repeat that. So vectors again we are coming across, no? Like that everything will be repeated, don't worry. And every successful person is like you only in the beginning. Only thing is he has the persistence and consistency to study. You're able to do at least few problems of assignment.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're attending 10.
Yes, sir.
At least you're getting 5 problems out of 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are getting.
So those assignments, it is covering boards exam, mains examination, and advanced examination, plus basic concepts. You complete all that, give some time, man. After that, you can master, you can enjoy anything.
Can't able to do the sum, sir.
Pardon? Pardon? I didn't understand.
Can't
He
able to
said
do
it.
the sum, sir.
Which one? All. Not even a single problem.
Very few we can do, sir.
And that's what I'm doing. After you go on trying, after you see solution, you're getting some idea, no, at least.
Yes, sir.
The drawback is, that's the reason why I gave first you start with the AS. Okay. After my class notes, first go to AG, then AS, then come to AV. AV is my classwork. I have to teach it in the class. First to finish, I'm sending this AG, remember? AS1 assignment, AS, AV. You're receiving all these three now. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Start this, complete, little bit, go to this, that way. And above all, first thing is classwork. Because I'm teaching such that it synchronizes with these three assignments. Because no doubt it's a challenging task. Physics, you are good at physics, you can pick up any other subject. All the students generally start doing their chemistry and all at the end last 4 months or last 3 months. Because anyhow, chemistry are mugging or substituting on formula, that's all, no? Maths also the same thing. First have strengthen your physics skills. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Okay, sir.
The particle is this side is positive and this side should be negative, no? Say for example, next particle that is at beginning okay. Is it clear? That means you can see that you have delta x equals half ax t square. Understood this? See, remember that anything y equals some ax square. Second degree is a parabola. Understood this? So parabola equation we can get like this. If you draw the graph like this, because the power is not one now. If power is not one, it should be what?
Curve.
Curve. Okay. So this is time. Initially it is here. As x here, as t is increasing, as t increases, x increases more, no? Which is t is lesser, x is more. Followed. This much t, this much x. This is x, this is t, which is more. X should be more now.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So again, if you take another one, it will be like this. So the curve will be like this somewhat. This is what we call it as a, understood this? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see the same graph for clarity's sake and drawing once again. So you will have a graph like this. Understood this? Now what is happening to the slope? Can you tell?
So please increase
You go on drawing the tangents. Angle is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Theta is increasing.
Okay, sir.
So tan theta is increasing. Okay. Theta is acute, no? Therefore, what is tan theta? Positive. So slope is positive and increasing. Remember this? All these are given, as I explained earlier in maths, and I sent the notes also on this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Great. Clear?
Sir.
Now you can see x is equal to what? Half at square. Slope means what? dy by dx, no?
Yes, sir.
So here, this is dx and x is x coordinate is t, no? This is d by dt of half a t square. Half a d by dt of t square. Half a 2t at. They agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So what you got here? Dx by dt is what you got?
80.
80.
So here is v only, no? Obviously, this is the equation velocity time graph, no? Because you have v is equal to u plus at. Here what you have? U is 0. So v equals to at. Like that you can check if you want. What you have done is correct or not. All these are interlinked. Shall I turn this? In 5 minutes you can go.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Well, today you don't have chemistry class, no?
Yes, sir.
Both.
Yes, sir. Both the chemistry class not there.
Sir, you can turn, sir. Complete.
Yes, sir. Done. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
So remember that. Suppose we have a graph like this. This is y variation with x. Now you can see what is happening to the slope.
Increasing.
So,
So you can see theta is
Decreasing.
acute and decreasing. That means tan theta is a positive and decreasing. On the other hand, we are having a situation and the graph is like this. Here, what is happening to the slope?
This increases, sir.
Theta is acute and increasing. Agreed?
Yes,
So
sir.
here, tan theta is positive. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose we have particle. Particle starts from origin. Retarding means what will happen? Meaning
Accelerating.
velocity decreases with time now.
Yes, sir.
That means we have dv by dt is negative. That means what is this you have? If you draw a graph like this, agreed.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the displacement graph. This is time graph. Okay. Again you have delta, say this is the x coordinate. You have delta x equals uxt plus half axt square. X final minus x initial, it starts with zero velocity plus half into minus a into t square. X minus initially it is at the origin now. So x is equal to minus half a t square. Agreed? So from this, can you tell what is slope?
Decrease.
Slope is what? Minus half
Minus
a.
80.
Slope is what? 2t.
Minus 80.
Minus 80. That is nothing but negative or not?
Yes, sir.
Slope is,
Yes, sir.
therefore, slope is negative and is decreasing or not?
Yes, sir.
That means here this is. Because velocity is decreasing or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Sir,
Clear?
this is like, yes, sir. But one doubt, sir. This is
Hmm?
force decreasing or negative or decreasing, sir.
I didn't get it. Tell.
Sir, this coordination,
This
uh,
one.
this curve in green, sir. This thing.
This one.
Sir, this positive and decreasing, sir.
Sir, please move the paper lid downwards.
One second. Wait.
Thank you, sir. Completed, sir.
Just a Done, sir.
Finish this.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
See, remember, I'll again discuss this graph. Y equals, okay, A into X square. Okay, Y equals minus A into X square. This coefficient is positive, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The parabola will be of this shape. This is actually the shape, parabola. We are showing only one part. Why we are showing one part? Because you cannot have negative time, no? Can you have negative time?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That's why we are showing like this. Now this is a negative, no? So the parabola will be in which direction? It will be like this. Okay? This is, followed or not? So parabola, we call it as parabola opens upward. Parabola opens upward. Okay? And y equals minus ax square, parabola opens downward. That means it will be something like this. Understood this or not? Clear? Hello?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Now in our question, previously what we got? S is equal to minus half 80 square. So it should be a parabola negative, no? So it should be like this
Yes,
one,
sir.
no?
Open downward.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir. Agreed, sir.
More about this we shall see in the next class. Today's class, till what I taught, you understood, no?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So we'll do more about graphs for the next few days, then you'll have confidence. Okay? I think
Yes, sir.
equations mathematically you might have done properly. I think you understood well now. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
bye, bye,
sir.
bye,
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Bye,
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Yes, sir.
bye,
Bye.
bye, 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 bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, 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 bye. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye.